Beneath our feet, an unseen world awakens. To them, these droplets are oceans. Every step, a journey through giants. In this silent forest, hunters are always watching. Patience is the deadliest weapon. Together, they become unstoppable. Life depends on the smallest workers. Growth begins with hunger. Change is silent but unstoppable. To survive is to transform. Even a single drop can be a storm. Small does not mean insignificant. Wings of glass built for precision. In a fraction of a second, the air belongs to it. Perfect stillness hides perfect violence. The strike is silent and absolute. From darkness, life pushes upward. Territory is claimed and defended. Silk threads, stronger than they appear. A single tremor signals opportunity. Beneath the soil, cities are built. Geometry, perfected by instinct. Tiny hands shaping the world below. Patience is the art of survival. Change begins in silence and stillness. A fortress woven from fragile threads. Transformation waits within patience. Wings unfold, ready to explore the world. Resilience shines even in the storm. A world unseen, yet full of life. Cathedrals of clay, built grain by grain. Beneath the walls, the city breathes. Strength multiplied by purpose. A worker returns, carrying tomorrow's survival. Perfect symmetry, shaped by instinct. Liquid gold, stored for uncertain days. A thread so thin, yet stronger than steel. Engineering, written in silk. Every movement reshapes the earth. Beneath the surface, civilizations thrive in darkness. To us, just a trickle of rain. To them, a roaring waterfall. Above them, light filters through a jungle of grass, a sky they rarely see. In seconds, the peaceful wanderer becomes airborne. Stillness is sometimes the most dangerous movement of all. Every step is deliberate, every inch earned. When the rain arrives, survival becomes urgent. A river to us, an ocean to them. As the sun sets, this world does not disappear. It continues, unseen, uncelebrated, unstoppable. Beneath our cities, beneath our footsteps, life endures.